Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I do this perfect ballerina bun. So let's start. First I'm going to brush through my hair with my favorite hair brush. Then I'm going to take this teasing brush and with it I'm going to tease my hair, of course. But I'm only going to tease my upper part, so the crown, so to say. But before that I need to part my hair. I like to wear it on my left side and then take most of that front side and pin it away because I don't need it at the moment. I'm going to braid it later, but right now I need it away from my eyes, from my face. Yes, so something like this. Then I'm taking an elastic tie and with it I'm going to pull my hair into a regular ponytail. Just like this. And here I'm just rearranging my front part because it got on my nerves. Then you're going to need a hair donut like this, and as you can see, quite easy, I just pulled my ponytail through that donut. Then I'm going to take bobby pins and I'm going to pin it into place at the sides. Then with the head bowed like this, I'm spreading the ponytail over that donut. It's a lot easier to do in this position. You just need to make sure your donut is entirely covered by your ponytail. You can feel what you're doing with your hands, believe me, it's no rocket science. It's easy. Then that hair tie I've showed you previously, I'm pulling it over the donut, just like this. See? Easy peasy, and half of the work is already done. Yeah, and here I'm just making sure with my hands that the donut is completely covered by my hair. Then the last step for the bun is deciding what to do with the rest of the hair. Sometimes I like to braid the rest of the hair. Today I'm just going to roll it like this and call it a day. And then I'm going to hide that end and pin it into place with bobby pins. Like this. Then take more bobby pins and just secure that rope, so to say, around the bun. And it's looking like this. And then take that front part and decide what to do with that. You can either make it simple, you can just pin it at the side, or you can braid it, as I'm going to do. And this time I'm going for that simple braid. just because it's easy and fast to do, and I normally go for that one. And then I always like to pull the sides of the braid looser, because it's going to make it look more voluminous. And it's looking like this, and the last step is just pinning it into place. And here I'm just using my favorite hairspray to smooth out the flyaways. And then you're done. That easy. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and tell me in the comments down below what you think of this hairstyle and what more you like to see. Until next time, mwah! Bye bye.